In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out which version of WordPress your website is running. Understanding your WordPress version can be crucial for ensuring compatibility with themes, plugins, and security updates. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to access your WordPress administrative dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and navigate to your WordPress site and log into your account. This is typically done by adding WP admin to the end of your website's URL, something like yourwebsite.com WP admin. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard's main page. This is the control center for your WordPress site, where you have access to all the tools and settings that manage your website's content and functionality. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. This is where you'll see the WordPress logo, a familiar sight to many users. Hover your cursor over this logo, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is designed to provide quick access to various informational resources about WordPress itself. It's a great hub for getting to know more about the platform's history and features. In the menu that appears after hovering over the WordPress logo, look for the option labeled About WordPress and click on it. This selection will lead you to a dedicated page that contains detailed information about the version of WordPress you are currently using. The About WordPress page is a useful resource because it not only tells you the version number, but also usually highlights the features and improvements that came with that version. This can give you insight into any new capabilities or enhancements that might have been introduced. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to check the version of WordPress that your site is running. It's a simple, yet important task that ensures you stay informed about your website's current status. Before we conclude, here are some additional tips. Regularly checking your WordPress version is a good practice, especially after updates are released. Ensuring that your WordPress version is up to date helps maintain security and compatibility with plugins and themes, preventing conflicts and vulnerabilities. Additionally, don't forget to back up your site before performing updates, as this will safeguard your data in the unlikely event of an issue. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay informed and keep your WordPress version